Okay, Google, turn master bedroom lights to 50%. Set master bedroom lights to 5%. Set master bedroom lights to 100%. Ooh, that's bright. Set MB1 to 5%. Set MB2 and MB4 to 20%. Set MB2 to 20%. Set MB4 to 50%. Set MB3 to 15%. Set master bedroom lights to 5%. So what I've just shown you is how cool it is when you make a regular ceiling fan turn into a smart fan with help of Google and the GEC lights that can be found at Sam's Club. So this is the package from Sam's Club. It's C by GE. They can be controlled by Google, and I'm not sure if they can be controlled by Alexa, but they can definitely be controlled by Google. So this is what's cool, is they're dimmable, and there's 5 of them. Let me show you what they look like. You can't see what they look like because these aren't them. I've already plugged them in. As you just saw, I put 4 in the fan in the master bedroom because I was just thinking, it's like, how do we make this fan a smart fan? I was like, I don't want to look for something to wire inside the fan. So where did I put the 5th light? Turn on kitchen light. A $20 light with a smart bulb in it. Just looks so awesome. Turn kitchen light to 5%. Kitchen light to 80%. So what's cool about those lights is they're regularly $49. They're actually $10 off now at Sam's Club. So you get them for $39. And you get 5 of them instead of 3 with the Philips Hue that also require a hub. These don't require a hub. You just open the Google Home app and it just so simple and easy to walk through. Now, I grouped these 4 as part of the master bedroom, but I also had to name them individually, and that's what allowed me to control them individually. However, we don't control them individually. We just say master bedroom lights, and we tell them to turn them on, set them to a certain percentage, make them brighter, make them dimmer, whatever. So this is how you turn that old fan into a smart fan with only $40, and you have an extra light bulb to put somewhere else. And if you want to save another $20 on your membership at Sam's, I got a link below. Go ahead and click it, and you can save $20 on your membership at Sam's. Put that towards your light bulbs. Thanks for checking out my video. Oh, and by the way, once you have the fan set up, or excuse me, the light set up like this, you have cool routines with Google Home, like good night.